Hi everyone, today I'm going to be demonstrating how to use our shape widget within our content editor. Now to show this off, I'm going to go ahead and drag in our shape widget onto our canvas. And as you can see here, we now have a horizontal line. So if you go to your properties and you click on shape type, as you can see, we have many options to choose from circles, square boxes, rounded boxes, and even a table organizer. But for this case, I'm going to go ahead and pick a circle. And from here, I can move it around in my canvas. I can also resize it like so. I'm just gonna make it a little bit bigger. And from here, I can also use my presets to center it. And say I want to change the line style. So I can make it either a little thicker or a little smaller. And then I have it where it could be solid, dotted, or dashed. I'm gonna go with dotted for this case. And let me change the color just a little bit here. You can use our color picker. And from here, I wanna change the fill color, but I wanna change the opacity a little bit. There we go, I think that should do. And I'll assign in a gradient as well. And you can also change the direction that you want it to go in. I think that looks good. Now from here, you can even add a background by going into the other properties. These are going to be the more advanced properties, but as you can see, I can select an image here. And let me select this one here. Perfect. Okay, and then from now, I can even assign this an animation. So I can give it an enter animation. I'm going to have this one fade in. And then I can also give it a repeating animation. So I'll give it a pulse. And then you'll see that this is now reflecting in our content editor. Now, if I want to change it up just a little bit more, go ahead and click these three dots down here below interaction. And this is going to take you into some more advanced properties. And from here, you can change the margin. I'm just going to increase this a little bit. And then give it a shadow as well. As you can see, now we have a nice drop shadow here. And you can change the opacity just a little bit here. Perfect, I think that looks good. So now once we've finished this, I can go ahead and show this off within our content preview. And to do that, you're gonna go ahead and save here. And then click this play button. And as you can see now, it's gonna fade in and start pulsing. Perfect. Now, let's say I want to have a little bit more of an advanced animation in terms of shapes. I can certainly do that, so let me get out of here. Perfect. Okay, and then now I'm going to be using the skew shape here. So if I click here, go back to main, and click on the shape type, you're going to see here when I scroll down that there's the skew box. And I'm going to use my quick little presets here to angle it just in this corner, just because it makes it a lot easier and makes it precise. Perfect. But now I want to expand this over here until it's at the edge almost. So let me go ahead and click here, and I'm going to leave it like this, but I'm going to make the fill color a dark black color. Perfect. And just expand it just a little bit more. Now that I've done that, I'm going to go ahead and copy and paste this. And now you can see it's black still, so I'm going to make it a little bit of a lighter color on this one. Perfect. And once again, going to use my presets here just to align it in the bottom. Excellent. And then let me just resize it. Perfect. And now let's do one more here, and then I'll show you what we're trying to accomplish by doing this. And then let's make that just a little bit lighter. Excellent. Perfect. So now if I go into this black one here, as you can see, if I go to other, we're going to animate it. Now, I want it to fade in left, but I want these to delay so they sort of cascade onto the canvas. So let's make this one a 2-second delay, and it's going to fade in left. Let's now select this gray one, and we will have that fade in left as well. And I'm going to give that a 3-second delay. So I'm just going to increase these by 1 second every single time. And then let's go ahead and make that 4. And then now that I've done that, let's go ahead and finish here and see what our finished product is. As you can see, this is now going to fade in and start pulsing. And then now we have our shapes. Excellent. All right, everyone, that's it for this video. There will be more tutorial videos available that go over some of the other widgets and features within our CMS. As always, please let us know if you have any questions by sending us an email at sales@wallboard.info. Thank you, and see you next time.